Hi everyone, and welcome back to WealthCraft. In this video, I'm going to share 7 of the best side hustles you can start right now that can actually make you $1,000 a month or more. These aren't scams or outdated trends. They're proven ideas that are working right now and are even expected to grow in the coming year. So if you want some extra income without quitting your job, stay tuned because one or more of these could be the perfect fit for you. So let's dive straight in. Number 1, freelance digital services. Businesses are spending more online than ever, and they constantly need skills like graphic design, video editing, copywriting, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra make it simple to connect with clients. The best part is you don't need any cash to start, and you can build your portfolio as you go. Even if you charge $20 to $30 an hour for basic tasks, this can add up to $1,000 a month with just 10 to 15 hours of work. For example, a beginner video editor offering short-form TikTok edits could charge $25 per clip. Just producing one clip per evening over a month would put you past $1,000. And as you gain reviews and repeat customers, your rates go up and your time per project usually goes down. It's a scalable skill that compounds the more you practice. Number 2, print on demand. If you can create simple designs, you can sell products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching inventory. Websites such as Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle production and shipping for you. All you need to do is upload the designs and market them. And making just one viral design can generate ongoing sales every month for a long time. In 2025, print on demand continues to be a powerful way to turn creativity into recurring income. You don't even need to be a designer. Tools like Canva and Kittle let you remix templates really quickly. Think seasonal shirts for holidays, trending phrases from TikTok, or niche hobbies like fishing or gaming. A single design that catches traction could sell for years, and you can automate advertising with cheap Facebook or Etsy ads to keep the sales flowing. Number 3, content creation. And this doesn't mean you need to be on camera. Faceless YouTube channels, TikTok compilations, and AI-narrated videos are exploding right now. If you consistently publish valuable or entertaining content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Content creation takes time to build up, but it has almost unlimited earning potential. The key is picking a profitable niche and sticking with it long enough for the algorithm to start recommending your videos. For example, a faceless YouTube channel about personal finance could earn $20 per 1,000 views in ad revenue. At just 50,000 monthly views, which is achievable with consistent uploads, that's already $1,000 a month. Add in affiliate links for books or finance tools, and the income multiplies. Unlike most hustles, content is an asset that works for you forever after you create it. Number 4, online tutoring and teaching. Remote learning is now mainstream, and parents, students, and professionals are willing to pay for personalized lessons. You can teach languages, math, science, or even business skills. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, or Wisent make it easy to connect with students worldwide. If you specialize in in-demand areas such as coding or test preparation, you can charge premium rates. A few hours a week can easily cross the $1,000 mark. For example, an English tutor charging $20 an hour only needs 12 to 15 hours a month to hit $1,000. If you tutor SAT prep or coding, you could charge $40 to $60 an hour and reach that target in less than half the time. The demand is global, so time zones also work in your favor. You can tutor before or after your day job. Number 5, flipping and reselling. This involves buying undervalued products and selling them for a profit on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Amazon. It could be thrift store finds, clearance items, or even wholesale products from Alibaba. In 2025, tools like eBay AS Price Tracker and Amazon FBA make it easier than ever to see what is trending and profitable. Many people start with less than $100 in inventory and scale up to thousands per month once they figure out what sells. One beginner-friendly method is retail arbitrage, scanning barcodes in big box stores, using the Amazon Seller app to see if you can resell them for a profit. Another is flipping collectibles like Pokemon cards, sneakers, or retro electronics. With practice, you'll recognize patterns and start finding profitable items faster. Every flip builds both income and experience. Number 6, remote customer support or virtual assistants. More companies are hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees for tasks like answering emails, managing calendars, or providing live chat support. Platforms such as Belay and Time, etc., connect businesses with remote assistants. If you're organised and reliable, this side hustle pays steadily and has low entry requirements. Working just a few hours in the evenings or weekends can quickly bring in an extra $1,000 each month. For instance, a small business might hire you for 10 hours a week at $25 an hour to handle email responses. That's $1,000 right there, without needing to pick up multiple clients. Over time, you can scale into project management or specialised services like bookkeeping to increase your rates even more. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Instead of selling your own products, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact are big affiliate networks. You can use blogs, social media, or YouTube videos to recommend products people are already searching for. For example, reviewing the best productivity apps or financial tools and linking them with your affiliate code can turn clicks into passive income. It takes time to build traffic, but once it's running, commissions can roll in 24/7. Imagine you recommend a software tool that pays $10 per sign-up. With just 5 sign-ups a day, that's $1,500 a month. And the content that brought in those clicks will keep working for you long after you made it. The key is to recommend products you genuinely believe in and build trust with your audience. To wrap up, those are 7 side hustles that can realistically make you $1,000 a month in 2025. Some require skills, others just time and consistency, and a few can even turn into full businesses if you want to scale. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to WealthCraft for more practical money-making tips and strategies. Check the description for links to tools and resources you can use to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.